Um, we're staying healthy. Onions and garlic, all those kinds of like veggies that have like antimicrobial properties. They help our immune system this year during cold and flu season. I also have our ground beast of choice. I'm hoping that we can restock the freezer with venison, but here in Michigan, the gun season opener was what day is today? Today's Thursday, so it was yesterday. I was gonna do venison, but I was also waiting to hear like, did we get a deer? So I have ground beef. I'm doing this extra lean. It's the 97.3. So that means 97% lean, 3% fat. So as the onions start to sweat out, it'll help this ground beef. I don't really want to add oil to it. A tablespoon of oil is 120 calories. I'm thinking about it from a fat perspective. I really like to put, cheese on my chili. Other people might want to put sour cream. You can also use non-fat Greek yogurt, which would be great, tangy, but give you some calcium, give you some protein. So I'm gonna start to sweat out the onions. I also diced up one whole yellow pepper. You're welcome to use green pepper if you like the bitterness. I like the sweeter peppers. So to each their own. And we're just gonna cook this until the meat is no longer pink. I just have 1 pound of ground beef. You could also use any kind of beef you want. If you like ground bison, if you like buffalo, if you want elk, that's lean. If you're not into the exotic animals, you could also make this with ground turkey. There's extra lean ground turkey. If you want to use chicken, you could do ground chicken. So whatever floats your boat. All right. All right. Some people might have really fun, I don't know if anybody does, like instead of a wooden spoon, do you have one of those other contraptions that you can basically like grind your meat, like a handheld meat grinder spatula thingy? I'm probably not using the right word for it, but does anybody have one of those? Do you know what I'm talking about?
I'm talking about like kind of the metal masher.
Kind of. It looks like a potato masher, but it's like silicone, and it has like specific.
Okay.
Somebody's got it.
Beth has one.
Beth! I like to wait just until like this pink is totally gone before adding in the seasoning.
That looks super good.